What's up guys, Morgan Lewis here and thank you for coming to this video. In this video I'm going to show you how to integrate Aweber with Clikcfunnels. I go through two ways, the API way and using HTML code on your own web form. So make sure you watch it step by step because I go through it step by step. Those who stay to the end, so make sure you stay to the end. At the end of the video, I show you a bonus on how I make money online using Clikcfunnels and Aweber. So make sure you stay for that. So without further ado, my name is Morgan Lewis. Subscribe to this channel, like this video, and I'll see you in the next part of the video.
Okay, welcome back everybody. Now we're going to integrate Aweber with Clikcfunnels. So the first thing I'm going to do is log into my Aweber account. So we're going to create a list. I've already created a list just for this video called Affiliate Ebook. Okay, so I'm going to integrate Clikcfunnels to this affiliate ebook list. Okay, now there's two ways you can do this. The first thing I would suggest is to go to integrations. When it works, integrations. I'm also all assuming that you've got a Clikcfunnels account. Okay, just like that. So back to Aweber. I'm already integrated with Clikcfunnels, but you should see, depending on what time you're watching this or where you're watching it, available integrations. So you want to click on the ones you want to integrate. There's loads. Obviously, we're doing Clikcfunnels, so click on Clikcfunnels. Now, I'm not going to disconnect mine. Okay, so you need to integrate Clikcfunnels there. Okay, so hopefully you've already got a Clikcfunnels account. You just need to integrate it with Clikcfunnels. Okay, so what I've also done is I've created an affiliate ebook list, whatever list you want to create. So I've created a list within Aweber. The next thing I want to do is get a sign up form. I'm going to start a sign up form because this is the one way you can do this. So I'm going to create a sign up form. When it goes. So I'm just going to keep it as normal, go to step 2. I'm going to leave it like that. Let's call it ebook. Okay. Save your I'm going to step 3, perhaps. No, go back. Save your form. Okay. Save your form. Step 2. Go step 3. Okay. Now then, once you're here, you need to do this. I will install my form. Click on I will install my form. And then click on raw HTML version. This one here. That one there. And you want to unclick this or uncheck that. Now, I'm going to come back to this in a bit, but you need to get to that point. Okay. Now, I'm going to go back into Clikcfunnels. So in Clikcfunnels, this is my Insider's Guide ebook. It's a funnel. Okay, it's there. Look, click on this one. So this is my funnel page for my landing page. So edit page. So I've already got this in place. So it's all about an ebook. And what I've done is got an email address and I've integrated this, or I'll use it to integrate with Aweber. Click on settings. Now you can see it's already integrated. So if I remove the integration there, now what you need to do is click on, if you click on this one should show up. If you've integrated Clikcfunnels and Aweber, you should see that there. Look, so if you click on Aweber, okay, it's now integrated it with existing list. Select a list, affiliate ebook. So you've got to create the list first, and then you've got to integrate it this way using the Clikcfunnels API. So now, just a little bit of refreshing. Okay, so it's there, like affiliate ebook. So it's connected. Click off. So now we should find integrations that is connected Aweber with this list. Now this affiliate ebook was the list that I created in Aweber. So it's integrated that way. Always press save. Don't do like I do, not press save sometimes. So this now is integrated with my Aweber account. Okay, so when somebody types in their email address there, it will send it to my Aweber account. Building my list. Now what you might find is, especially if you're new perhaps, or you've got a new list, that they may require a double opt-in. Even though somebody might type in their email address and you've selected in Aweber to uncheck the double opt-in, your subscribers may have to double opt-in. They may have to subscribe twice. Some people think that's good. Some people think it's bad. Okay? I'll show you a way how you can avoid that or get around it. Remember we did this. So we're in the affiliate ebook. We've come to this. So what I'm going to do is, instead of integrating with the API like I just did, I'm just going to do this. So you want to get, so you should have the same thing. Okay? So you want to go highlight all of this, 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 all of this to about there, look. Where it says form, stop. So you want to go from that form there. Okay, that's what's down there, all this stuff here. You don't need this, okay? So just go to that form bit, all the way up, all the way up, all the way up. You don't want that Aweber thing, you want that. That's what I want. The song there. We'll copy that. Okay, so I've copied that now. I'm now going to go back. What I'm going to do is I'm going to integrate. I'm going to get rid of this integration. Not connected. So if you do it the way we're going to do it now, with this HTML form, when your subscribers subscribe to this squeeze page or whatever your squeeze page you've got, they will go straight into your email list. Aweber won't send them an email to double opt-in. Okay, so it's a way of getting around that. You know, it's perfectly legal, it's not dodging it. We're just using our own HTML form rather than API. So we go here. So this would be our squeeze page. Let's pretend we haven't integrated it. So we go to integrations, not connected. So we go to select integration. Now click this null HTML form by there. Click on that, okay? And then integrate existing form, add HTML below. Click on that. Now this is this stuff that we've created. This is our form that we've made. And this is what we've highlighted. Make sure that's unchecked there, right? We've copied that. We're now going to come across here, Control V. We'll paste all of that in. So all of that is just all of that. Now, click on that. Okay, synced, synced, synced. Let's click on email. Click on email. Okay, so don't worry if it looks a bit funny, just save the web form, click off it, integrations, it's got a tick, it's now connected to this, okay? It's connected now, cool. Press save, always press save. So come back here, this is our thing. So now we've got this, that's our form. We've done that, we've done that, we've done that. Back sign up forms. That's my sign up form there. And now we'll just press publish.
Hi folks, sorry for interrupting. If you're enjoying this video and this content, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So click the like button and subscribe to my channel. sorry for the interruption, back to the video.
Okay, so remember this is where it was. Click on that, just to make sure, click on that, and that's where that code is. Okay, so go back to dashboard. So now we've integrated this form with this HTML form that we created in Aweber. Now that stops, okay, that will stop this happening, because even though when you go to list options, okay, list settings, even though you may have turned, right, now this is what you did when you created the list, all of this stuff, okay, if you do go to confirmation message, now even if these are turned off like these are, because if you link with the API through Aweber, Clikcfunnels API, it'll still send the confirmation message to make sure that the subscriber wants to opt in. So it's like a double opt-in, which can be good, can be bad. If you want to get rid of that, you've got to request a change. Sometimes Aweber may want you to provide some information and get more subscribers. But the way we've done it, which is the way I do it, by using a HTML form, it bypasses that because we're not using the API. Go to save. We're not using the API. Okay? So that may be of interest to you. Go back to my dashboard. So what we've done there is we've integrated Aweber with Clikcfunnels using two ways. The API way, which is all right, but you may have to get your subscribers to double opt-in, or with the form that we created, sign-up forms here, look, and we used that HTML code. So there's two ways you can do it. It's up to you which one you want to use. Okay, pops with the HTML, you haven't got to bother contacting Aweber all of the time. So I hope that was useful. Okay, and the last thing to do is just check that it all works. Okay, so just to check, because sometimes we forget to do things. So just go back just to make sure. Okay. So I've got my settings, integrations connected there, look, okay. Now, emails on there. Now, what sometimes can happen, okay, that you, on your sign up form, you've got a name there as well. So, just in case that's happened to you, okay, you want to go to your sign up form just to make sure. When you go to edit your sign up form that we did, just make sure that you've got just the email there. You don't want the name. Okay, because sometimes if the name is still there, it throws a bit of a fit. Okay, so previously the name was there, okay, but it's got rid of it. So you might have to delete the name if it's asking for a name, okay, because it's got to match what's here. It's only asking for an email address, it's not asking for a name, so the form will expect a name as well as an email address. Okay, so if you've still got the name there, it might not like it, so just delete the name, save the form, and you might have to put in the HTML code again, okay? So once that's all set up like this, I'll just press the save because that's our code. Let's go back. So at the moment, dashboard, affiliate ebook, I've got subscribers. Okay, at the moment I've got a subscriber there, which I've blanked out. Only one. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is see if it all works. I'm going to test it with one of my emails. So I'm going to do this, see if it works. Come down here. This is a test email that I use. So this is the email that you would put in. So hopefully now it's going to not send me a double opt-in. I don't want a double opt-in. I just want to go straight for this email to go straight into a list. So press that. Obviously, I would set this up for a follow-up series. I haven't done that yet. Okay, so now I'm subscribed. I haven't got a double opt-in. I'm subscribed. So if I go back to my subscribers now and refresh, hopefully you will see video ML8. Look, so that's just turned up just now. So that is the form working. There's no double opt-in. We don't need a double opt-in. You might want a double opt-in. If you use Clikcfunnels API, it'll say they're pending or something like that. But using that form, it'll go straight from your squeeze page into your Aweber account. Okay? Just make sure that HTML form is set up correctly and you should be okay. Okay? Any problems, just comment and let me know and I'll sort you out. Okay, so hopefully that was benefit. We're integrating Aweber with Clikcfunnels either through an API or through a HTML form. Okay, now obviously I use Clikcfunnels and I use Aweber. I use them both along with squeeze pages to create an income online. Because you stay till the end, the next part of the video is a bit of a bonus. I'm going to show you what I use to make an income online. I leverage the power of the internet to make an income online, obviously using Clikcfunnels and Aweber. So stick around for that. That's in the next part of the video. So my name is Morgan Lewis. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and watch the next part. Welcome back to this third part of the video and to the bonus section. Like I promised, those who stay to the end and explain to you how I make money online and how I use the power of the internet to leverage that power and make an income online. I use affiliate marketing and more specifically high ticket affiliate marketing. Now you can get started today in the same program for $7. There's a link in the pinned post which will take you to a 15-day business challenge for $7. So click on the pinned post, the link in the pinned post. It'll take you to this squeeze page. Enter your contact details and for $7 you can get started on them 15 days today. There's 15 days worth of value. Now for an extra bonus, if you complete them 15 days and you send me a screenshot of proof that you've completed the 15 days, I will then arrange a one-to-one coaching session with me and you to discuss your next steps. So make sure you sign up for the 15 days, go through the 15 days. Once you get to the 15 days, send me a screenshot, email me a screenshot of the completion, and I will set up a one-to-one free half-an-hour coaching session with me and you to discuss your next steps, whatever they may be. Now, the reason I want to do that is because I know the value of them 15 days, because I got a lot of value, and I want you to get the same value. So make sure you complete the 15 days, and then we can arrange that one-to-one half-an-hour free session. So that's all I have today. Click on the link, pay the $7, do the 15 days. Besides that, if you've got any questions, just let me know. I answer them all. That's all I've got for you today. Thank you for watching the video to the end. Take up that 15-day challenge. Take up on my free one-to-one bonus session. And I will see you in another video.